Hey everyone, Grant Alexander here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making a mallet. And my friend Adam at the Garage Woodworker has challenged me to do it under an hour. I'm going to be having this little timer go off in the background of all the shots. So sit back and I hope you enjoy. First, I'm going to glue on one of these sides of these walnut pieces. I'm going to put epoxy and BBs in here, and then I'm going to glue on the other side later. So I was really hoping that just having a round over would be sufficient, but I don't really like the feel. It's a little bit too big. I want to cut a little bit away on each side, give it a different kind of grip, and I know that's going to eat into my 1 hour, but I think it's worth it, and hopefully I'll still have enough time at the end. hope you enjoyed this video where I made the mallet. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to see more. I really love how the maple, walnut, and cherry work so well together. It just turned out really, really awesome. It was an interesting challenge to try and make it in under an hour. I did it with 4 minutes remaining, so that worked out pretty good. But if I could have used those 4 minutes somewhere else, I would have spent a little more time on the handle portion. But I didn't know if I'd have those 4 minutes at the end. So don't forget, you can always challenge yourself to the 1 hour builds. And check out Adam's channel, The Garage Woodworker. There's a link in the description below. Until next time, cheers and have a great day.